Today we're going to have a look at a comprehension strategy, making an inference. It is a comprehension strategy that we do every day, all the time, without even thinking about it. You did it when your mum asked you to tidy up your room, and you inferred from the tone of her voice what the consequence might be if you didn't do it. Right, so when we make an inference, we draw a conclusion from clues. So in the dictionary it says an inference is a conclusion reached by evidence or reasoning. So we know that an inference is a conclusion that can be reached by looking at evidence, looking through the clues, in order to understand what it is the author was trying to say. And I wanted to look at a very short poem. It's called Dreams by Langston Hughes. I'll read it. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field, frozen with snow. Okay, so in this poem, and also in many poems, the meaning of the poem is not immediately obvious. The author makes us do some work, right? First of all, we need to figure out what he means by dreams. Does he mean those movies that play in our head at night when we're sleeping? I suspect he does not. In fact, I know from my own life experience and my own experience with the English language that very often when people talk about dreams, they're talking about people's hopes and ambitions, right? So if I read the poem understanding dreams as hopes and ambitions, right, that is an inference that I've made, right, based on the fact that if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. I take that to mean, I infer that that means that life becomes crippled like that bird, that we can't live our lives to our full potential without our dreams, right? And so you see how we have to make that inference, or a couple of inferences, in order to understand the meanings of this poem. And guys, remember that we do this all the time. The inferences that we make happen automatically without us thinking about them. So today you're going to go away and you're going to read some poetry. Please take time to examine each aspect of the poem and try to understand what each part means.